Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, May 17. Jamaica is inviting investment from Indian companies, particularly those involved in pharmaceuticals, for the Caymanas Special Economic Zone in St. Catherine. This is among the matters discussed when the President of the Republic of India, Ramnath Kovind, paid a courtesy call on Prime Minister Andrew Holness on Monday. Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Senator Aubin Hill, who was a part of the Jamaican delegation at the meeting, says this is an opportunity to further strengthen the commercial collaboration between Jamaica and India. He says this is especially important as long supply chains are becoming problematic due to COVID-19 and the Russia-Ukraine war.
Because the world is so uncertain these days. We have to look for new trading partners, and India is an excellent one with a legal system that we know and with a collaboration that we've had for a long time.
Other areas of collaboration being considered are trade, transportation and logistics. Monday's meeting at Jamaica House resulted in the signing of a memorandum of understanding which will provide for training through Jamaica's Foreign Service Institute. A part of the Tower Street in downtown Kingston has been officially renamed Ambedkar Avenue. Yesterday's unveiling was in honor of Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, a social reformer, politician and father of the Indian Constitution. The renaming exercise is part of activities marking Indian President Ramnath Kovind's state visit to Jamaica. Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie says it's important to recognize and pay tribute to an outstanding son of India whose mark was felt not only in his home country but right across the world.
As a mark of our deep respect and to continue to forge that relationship between the peoples of India and Jamaica, I warmly embrace, salute this unveiling and renaming, and hope that the Indian relationship between both countries will continue.
President Kovind expressed great pride that one of the ablest sons of India has been recognized so far away from his home.
Let us always remember that icons like Dr. Ambedkar and Marcus Garvey cannot be limited to just one nation or community. Their message of equality of all and their appeal to end all forms of discrimination has universal resonance. Therefore, Dr. Ambedkar's message is as relevant to Indians as it is to Jamaicans and to people in every part of the world.
In other news, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says his administration is taking steps to mainstream electric vehicles into the island's automotive industry. The switch from combustible engines to electric technology will be facilitated through an enabling legislative and regulatory environment. Mr. Holness adds that the installation of the necessary infrastructure to accommodate electric vehicles is also being fast-tracked.
We must be early adopters. The fact that we are existing at a time when these high technologies are widely available means that Jamaica can leapfrog. That the old infrastructure that we have, we can easily and very quickly put in new infrastructure.
Prime Minister Holness gave the update during the recent opening of Magna Motors headquarters on Oxford Road in Kingston. 500 Jamaicans are set to benefit from a partnership agreement between Heart NSDA Trust and China Harbour Engineering Company, CHEC. The collaboration will see to the training and certifying of individuals who will possibly take up jobs on the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project, MBPRP. The project is expected to begin in June and will last for approximately 44 months. Under the agreement, Hart will provide the training on-site and off-site at its locations and the Caribbean Military Technical Training Institute in Western Jamaica. Areas for training include electrical works, carpentry, equipment operation, masonry, general construction, plumbing, welding, and other agreed skill sets. Persons from neighboring communities who have already been trained and certified will be included in the pool of workers for the MBRP. Mandeville Regional Hospital's capacity to deliver services has been boosted with a donation of medical supplies valuing over $7 million. The items were handed over recently by the Tourism Enhancement Fund, the TEF. They include supplies for critical care and respiratory support to treat COVID-19, such as ventilators, oxygen flow meters, bacterial filter, and stretchers. Executive Director of the TEF, Dr. Kerry Wallace, says having good healthcare facilities is a key input of the tourism product.
Enhancing Destination Jamaica means enhancing the facilities, especially the health services here on island, because a destination that our visitors choose to travel to must have that assurance that, God forbid, if anything should go wrong, then there is an efficiency of service in ensuring that they are safe and healthy.
And finally, the Universal Service Fund, USF, is targeting 63 additional locations to establish its community and public Wi-Fi hotspots this financial year. Director of Projects at the USF, Quan Wilson, says the initiative will add to the 189 community access points that have already been established by the agency.
The community Wi-Fi and also our public Wi-Fi under our community Connect Jamaica has been a very successful and impactful program, and as such we will continue to expand these initiatives.
Mr. Wilson was speaking at a recent JIS think tank. He also says under the USF's Connect JA Public Wi-Fi initiative, 6 additional sites will be targeted this financial year, adding to the 19 that have already been established. The Connect JA Public Wi-Fi initiative is geared towards providing free Wi-Fi internet access in major town centers, public green spaces, and parks across the island. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.